Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today, special is a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2253P. 43,000 miles on this Cherokee, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with additional under seat storage and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.